Hey guys, it's Blackstone Tech here, and today, this is my first video. I am going to show you how to remove and decrypt Petya, which is a ransomware. And if you don't know what a ransomware is, it's basically a kind of malware that would infect your system and lock down your system, or some ransomwares like WannaCry right there will lock down your files, or it will encrypt your files, which cause you have to pay the ransom for the files. So today we are going to not just show you, I'm not gonna just show you how to remove Petya, but also how to decrypt Petya. It is really easy to do. And now, so I have another channel called Blackstone Gaming, and so I was from that channel. But now I have a tech channel. I will post tech videos on this channel, and this is my first video, of course. So let's get started by running Petya on the Windows 10 virtual machine, so we can use another Windows 7 virtual machine to decrypt the Petya. Let's go. Let's run this. Whoop! Your PC has run into a problem and needs to restart. We are just collecting some error info, and then we will restart for you. Well, I'm of course not gonna do that. Restart. It looks like I have to shut it down. Alright, so before, let's just let it do its job. And so as you can see, I'm running two virtual machines here, so my memory is almost full. That's not good. And you do need a second computer to decrypt Petya if you are infected by a Petya ransomware. You do need a second computer, but it doesn't matter what computer you have, as long as it has Windows 7 or Windows Vista, Windows 8, Windows 10, whatever, just something that is not lower than Windows XP, you'll be good, because any computer will do it. Like, you can just grab one from your mom, from your friend, you can just borrow one or whatever. You can use the library computer if they allow you to. So I will just let this, you know what, I'll just power it off. So I will power it off and start this again. Alright, it's starting. So you do need a second computer for this, that's for sure. And while it loads, I'm going to show you how to get the decryptor. You open this up. Alright, yeah, just let it load. The VMware tools are not as good. Okay, it's done now. So, whoop, what, okay. This is, I do not like the scaling thing. I do not like it at all. Okay, so this will be in a link in the description, and then if you want to decrypt the Petya on the other computer, you can use this to decrypt Petya. So first, you have to open command prompt, and to do that, you have to hold Windows key and press R. Windows press R. And as you can see, I have already entered this, but you have to enter CMD like that. And then you can hit enter key or click this OK button. And this will pop up. It just say users and your username. Whatever your username is, it might be admin, it might be your name, whatever. So now, since it is user and VM, which is my username, and so now, and since this thing is on my desktop, I need to do CD desktop like that. And now as you can see, I am in the desktop. So now I have to do cd Petya Decryptor for Blackstone Tech, or whatever this little thing is called, the folder is called. So you have to cd, or anyways, so you have to get the command prompt to point at the location that your folder is at. So I think you can, you can use this. So as you can see, it is the same. Users, let me just show you here. Users, VM, desktop, Petya Decryptor for Blackstone Tech, like that. You have to make sure it is correct. And now, I'm going to show you what to do next. It's gonna scale again. Okay. Whoops! I have been infected by Petya. That's not good. Look at that skull. It's very scary for sure. Press any key. Okay. As you can see, it says, you became victim of the Petya ransomware. The hard disks of your computer have been encrypted with military-grade encryption algorithm. There's no way to restore your data without a special key. You can purchase this key on the darknet page shown on step 2. Well, it says there's no way to restore. Well, that's wrong, dude. There is a way to restore, and that's what I'm going to show you. So after you've done that, you just want to leave it there. Do not do anything else. And now, of course, I'm gonna show the credits. It's made by HasherZade, who made this decryptor. Alright, so now what you want to do is to click on ID_raw or whatever document that you will create. So if you download this from the description, you will have a file called idraw.txt, and you open it. It will say enter the decryption code that the ransom note provided you. No, whatever, and no dash and or spaces. So you have to delete this. So this will be empty, and it doesn't have to have the _raw. I did that because I want to. And and so you see there is a personal decryption code right there, and that is your decryption code. You have to enter this, and you have to enter this exactly like what it says. You cannot make any error at all. You have to enter it the same way that it did, that it told you. For example, this is 5B capitalized M, Y capitalized R. You cannot just say, well, I capitalized this Y. That's not good, because if you make a single error, the decryption code is going to be different, and that is not going to help you. So we have to enter it correctly, which I'm going to do it now. It's going to take us some time. Okay. So this is 5 lowercase b capitalized M Y R R. I'm going to do it. I'm probably going to fast forward or cut this part, but I'm just going to show you. M Y R R. Okay, so you see this. There's a dash here. It says do not put this dash here. No matter what, do not put the dash here. 7FP. 7FP. Alright, that is correct. I think that is correct anyways. So as you can see, you just need to copy the code. I mean, you cannot copy, but you have to manually write the code and write it here and make sure that there are no dashes, no anything, only capitalized letter and lowercase letter and numbers. And once that's done, you click save and then you close it. So now you're all set. And now we are to go, but you still haven't decrypted the code yet. So what we have to do is to go here, and since we already done the first step, which is point the CMD to know where is the folder, now we are going to do Petya underscore key dot exe, and then we press space. ID underscore raw dot txt. Now whatever this is, wherever you put the code, the personal decryption code, wherever you put it, you have to bring it to this folder and then give it the name. And for me, for this one, it is id underscore raw dot txt. We are going to hit enter, and it says choose one of the supported variants. R is red Petya, G is green Petya or Mishra, and that looks like a D. D is a golden eye. So this thing actually supports 4 versions of Petya variants. One is the original red Petya, which is the most common, and green Petya, which is a lot easier to decrypt, but still it is a variant of Petya, and Mishra, which is the easiest to decrypt because you don't need another computer to decrypt it. It is a variant of Petya, but you can still access the system in the Mishra because normal Petya, like the red one or the golden eye or the green one, will overwrite your master boot record, which is the MBR, so you cannot start the system. Instead of starting the system, you will see this. And when you try to fix the MBR, it's useless. So now you have to choose. If you see a similar screen, but the color is green, that is green Petya. If you see the same screen as this, the red color and the white text, or the white background and the red text, or just black background and red text, whatever that has a lot of red in it, that is red Petya. Now if you have a similar screen, but the color is gold or yellow, that is golden eye, and it will say that you have become a victim of the golden eye, which is easy to figure out which one it is. Now for Mishra, not many people are infected by Mishra, but Mishra is basically a Petya, but it is in your system. So you can still restart, you can still start up your system, do normal things, except your files have been encrypted and the ransom note is almost the same. That is Mishra. Okay, so for this example, my Petya is red, so I press R. And boom! Here's my key, my decryption code. We don't have to purchase anything. We don't have to do anything. And we got we do have to do something, but we don't have to purchase, and the code, which will cost, I don't know how many bitcoins, but it will definitely cost some bitcoins, and you have to pay for it. But now it is for free. We got the key for free. So now we are going to enter the key to decrypt this. The key is 7WB. We have to make sure that everything is right. Okay, 7WB. Okay, just 7WB SS WHS JV RBK 11. Let's make sure that they are correct. And now make sure that the capitalization are correct. And also the victim ID, which is the personal decryption code, is different for everyone. So you have to make sure that they are exactly the right ones. And now make sure that you spell this exactly like it says, and you hit enter. Boom! Decrypting sector, whatever, out of 271,360. It is going. Yes. So we did it. We decrypted Petya, and I'm going to let it load, and we are going to restart. Now the decryption tool will be in the description, and we're just gonna press any key to continue. So that's pretty much it. You have how to use the credits. Of course, I'm gonna credit him again. Hashazaid, thank you for making this decryptor, and I'm not copying anything. I'm showing. Okay, please reboot your computer. Yeah, no, not shut down. I want to restart. So when you see this, just restart it. Restart. And you may ask, why do I use a virtual machine for this? That's like I'm running a virus or something. No, I use virtual machine on this because the Windows actually my username is actually my real name, so I don't wanna anybody know my real name. So I use the virtual machine to demonstrate the Petya Decryptor. And also the virtual machine is Windows 7, which also helps because I actually haven't tried this on Windows 7 yet, but of course it does work. I'm not sure if it works on Windows XP, but if your computer is at Windows XP, then screw you. You have to upgrade it. There's no way you're gonna use Windows XP without a virus. Come on. So, as you can see, it says welcome, and it will enter the computer and the desktop, and then you will see everything is completely fine, like nothing happened. Okay, so we're just gonna let it load, and now you can close this if you want, and basically you can just delete it. I'm not gonna delete it, but you could delete it if you want. So, as you can see, everything is like normal. Decrypt me. See, everything is normal. I hate cybercriminal. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like, subscribe. This is my first video, and I have another channel. It's Blackstone Gaming. Definitely check it out on the link in the description. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye.